Hello everyone. Welcome to Home Chef unboxing video number 8. This is Friday, March 10th, 2017. So let's see what's in the box. On top are the recipe cards as usual. So we have Bangkok lemongrass basil shrimp fried rice, chicken Dijonnaise with zucchini and sun-dried tomato gratin, Sunday supper pot roast steak with mashed potatoes, roasted carrots, and peas. Sounds pretty good. So we've got the shrimp, which is 3 days, the chicken, which is cooked within 5 days, and the beef, which is cooked within 6 days. First up is going to be the shrimp. So let's see, what else is in the box? Packet number 1. Nice and cold. This is the Bangkok lemongrass basil shrimp fried rice packet. The next one out is chicken Dijonnaise. And another packet in here. Sunday supper pot roast steak. Those are our 3 packets. What's underneath? The bubble wrap this time. And we've got the ice packed in a baggie, which I like, so in case there's any leaking, it won't get leaked through the box. So we've got a couple of ice packets. Let's get them out of the way. Let's dig down. We gotta get the meat out of here again. Alrighty, let's see. Okay. Package of beef, package of chicken breasts, more ice packets, 4 of them, and a package of shrimp. And actually 3 ice packets down in there, and there are 5 altogether of our little ice packs this time. Okay. That's so much for the box ingredients. Now let's see what they've given us. We'll start with the shrimp first. So we know it came with this package of shrimp, and it says it should have 16 shrimp. It could. They are nice and cold, but they're fairly small. I'll probably add a few more of my own, just throw in there just for some extra. Okay. Now we've got, open up this package. We've got some Thai basil sprigs. don't know what the difference is between regular basil and Thai basil, but certainly this would be probably a hard thing to find in the store if I needed to. Lemongrass puree in a little container. And here's what it looks like. In case you... Ooh, that is wonderful smelling. Lemony. Brown stir-fry sauce. Looks like it's in a 2-ounce bottle, so let's see. Brown stir-fry sauce, 2 ounces. The ever-present cloves of garlic. Let's see what we got here. Oh, it's a package of sugar snap peas, and it says 3 ounces. I want to say that they look beautiful and all. And I would say some of them look okay. Not sure all of them. I might want to pick up a few of these too, just in case when the time comes to cook, they're no good. You never know about these fresh vegetables and the way that it's been transported and kept, because we had a snowstorm today, and while our package wasn't delayed like last time, you never know what the temperature goes down to where they keep these. Let's see, we got a couple of packages of sriracha sauce. Ooh, some sriracha hot sauce. And it's from Hoi Fong Foods, Inc. The package of a picture of a rooster. Okay. And we've got a couple of carrots here. 3 carrots, and it says 4 ounces of carrots. And I say they used to look really nice. These look a little dried out to me, but I'm sure they're, they'll be serviceable. They're just carrots. I am putting them back in this bag because they are going in the refrigerator. And one more thing, and that's a package of jasmine rice. And it's saying that there should be 3/4 of a cup of jasmine rice. That's not a refrigerated item, so that's going on the side. I'm going to put it over here. And we're putting back in the bag the refrigerated items. And that's it. So rice, shrimp, snap peas, basil, carrot, cloves, lemongrass, brown stir-fry sauce, and sriracha. And in order to cook this meal, they say it's easy, and I need olive oil and salt, baking sheet, a small pot, and a large nonstick pan. So let's lay these back into the bag. I don't think I need to keep the sriracha sauce in either, so we'll put that over there. Okay, so we'll put this bag on the side. Ready for the refrigerator. Now, they tell you to rinse the produce and pat dry, get a baking sheet ready with foil, and it can be a bit spicy with the sriracha, so you're going to do the sriracha to your taste. So you cook the rice, you cut up the carrots and the vegetables, you sear the shrimp, then the fried rice, you're going to put in olive oil, lemongrass, the snap peas, garlic and carrot. Then you're going to add the rice and the stir-fry sauce, and in the end you'll throw in the shrimp and the basil, cook it up, and then you have it and eat it out of a bowl. That's good. Now we've got, next one up is the chicken. So we've got the chicken package. Here's our chicken. It should be 2 chicken cutlets. They look good. And let's see what's in the, envelope, please. Let's see what's in here. Well, we have a bottle of white cooking wine, 2 ounces. A bottle of heavy whipping cream. It's another 2-ounce bottle. And we have a bag of, well, this is not labeled. It's a small baggie, but it should be 1 ounce of crispy fried onions. Let's go for this packet. Some Dijon mustard, like it's Grey Poupon. We have a package of let's see, grated Parmesan cheese, 1 ounce. Another package. These look like julienne sun-dried tomatoes, and there should be a ½ ounce of those. There is another packet of Grey Poupon in there. I missed that. 2 packets of butter. And 3 zucchini. Fairly small. They're all around the same size. And those obviously are refrigerated items. So the butter is a refrigerated item. And these 2-ounce containers are refrigerated items. Not so much the sun-dried tomatoes, but the cheese is. Put that back in. I don't think the mustard has to be. And I don't believe that this crispy onions also should be in the refrigerator, so they'll stay out on the side. Okay. So we've gotten those ingredients out. So let's see, is there something special about this recipe? It's easy, it's not spicy. I only need olive oil, salt and pepper, baking sheet, an oven-safe casserole. I don't know if you can really see the card well, but it does show the chicken on the side of the plate and the rest of the ingredients in a casserole dish. And a large nonstick pan. It goes in an oven, a 425-degree oven, and it says to rest the gratin for at least 5 minutes. This will give the sauce a chance to cool slightly and thicken. So you're preparing your ingredients, cutting up your... Oh, we're going to cut up the sun-dried tomatoes into a 1/4-inch dice and slice the zucchini. We're going to coarsely chop the fried onions. You're going to cook the zucchini, then we're going to make the gratin. So the remove pan with zucchini from burner and stir in the Parmesan, the tomatoes, the salt and pepper, and transfer that mixture to the prepared casserole dish. You can use individual dishes, or you could cook it in one and then dish it out. They have beautiful little oval casserole dishes in their larder. I'm not so sure I have that. In fact, I know I don't have that, but I might find something. We'll see. And you cooking the chicken, you're making the sauce, and then you're plating. Doesn't sound very difficult.